Namaste dear students. Today's bio class we continue the lesson number 6 tissue. Today we continue the topic animal tissue. In this today we study about connective tissues. The cells of connective tissues are loosely spaced and embedded in an intercellular matrix. The matrix may be jelly-like, fluid, dense or rigid. The nature of matrix differs in concordance with the function of the particular connective tissues. So, the function of connective tissues are protection, structural support, connection and binding, packing and storage, transportation and maintain immune function together with different organs of the body. Based on this, we will study types of connective tissues. First one is areolar or loose connective tissue. Second one is dense connective tissue, it has tendons and ligaments. Third one is skeletal or supportive connective tissue, it has cartilage and bones. Fourth one is adipose connective tissue. Fifth one is fluid connective tissue with blood and limbs. Blood has fluid matrix called plasma in which RBC, WBC and platelets are suspended. Now, we can study these connective tissues one by one. First one is areolar connective tissue, consists of reticular fibers, collagen fibers and fibroblast with mast cells and plasma cells and semi-fluid jelly-like matrix ground substance found in subcutaneous layer and mucous membranes in blood vessels, nerves, organs and also in bone marrows. It fills the space inside the organs, strengthen and support the internal organs and gives elasticity to the body parts. Second one is dense regular connective tissue. It is a fibrous connective tissue, densely packed collection of fibroblast and collagen fibers. These have the components of tendons and ligaments. Tendons binds muscles to bones. These are fibrous tissue with great strength but limited flexibilities. Ligaments are very elastic and has considerable strength containing little matrix and connects bone to bones. These are all about tendons and ligaments. Third one is skeletal or supportive connective tissue. These are rigid matrix of living cells, occurs in fluid filled space called lacunae. It has cartilage. It is flexible in nature. It occurs in ear pinna, nose tips, end of long bones, etc. It provides flexibility to the body parts. Next one is bones. Bones are very strong and non-flexible tissues. Bone cells are embedded in a hard matrix that is composed of calcium and phosphorus compounds. It forms the framework that supports the body. Fourth one is adipose connective tissue. Fats are stored in these cells and these are called as adipocytes. It helps in storage, shock absorption. The cells of this tissue filled with fat globules, so it also acts as an insulator. Last one is fluid connective tissue. It is a mobile connective tissue constitute transport system of animals. It includes blood and limbs. Blood is found throughout the body in blood vessels. Its function is to provide oxygen and nutrients to tissues and remove waste and carbon dioxide. In blood connective tissue, cells move in a fluid called blood plasma. These blood cells are also called as blood corpuscles. The plasma contains proteins, salts and hormones. These blood cells contain RBC, that is red blood corpuscles. These are large in number and have iron containing red respiratory pigment called hemoglobin. Next one is WBC, that is white blood corpuscles, which helps to fight against germs and produce antitoxins in our body. Next one is platelets. These help in the clotting of the blood. Here RBC and WBC are living cells while plasma and platelets are non-living cells. Last one is lymph. It is a colorless or light yellow fluid connective tissue. White blood cells are found in abundance. Lymph transports the nutrients like oxygen and glucose and recirculate in the body. These are all about connective tissues. With this, we complete the types of connective tissues. Up to here, we discuss all types of animal tissues one by one in detail. I think all of you understood the topic. With this, we come to the end of the lesson, tissue. Okay. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.